Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the phone give a strong GPS reading. First, set location to high accuracy so Wi-Fi and cell towers assist GPS. Next, force stop Pokémon GO and flip airplane mode on for about 5 to 10 seconds. This resets radios. Once done, turn airplane mode off and reopen the app immediately so it requests a fresh fix. If you see the spinning location indicator, wait a few seconds. Do not move the device until it stabilizes. Now you go deeper to remove software causes. Clear the app cache, and if necessary clear data, then sign back in. This removes corrupted location info. Make sure Google Play services and your system firmware are up to date because location fixes rely on those. Next, calibrate your compass by waving the phone in a large figure 8 until the indicator steadies. Also check developer options and disable mock locations, because fake GPS tools will prevent a valid signal. To finish, obtain a fresh satellite snapshot. Open a GPS status app and reset a GPS data so your phone redownloads satellite almanacs. If the problem persists, reset network settings or reinstall Pokémon GO. These steps fix stubborn configuration errors. Finally, move to an open area with a clear view of the sky and remove thick cases or magnetic mounts because obstructions block signal. If that still fails, one key troubleshooting tip. Test another GPS-dependent app to confirm whether the issue is hardware or Pokémon GO specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.